Hello everyone and welcome to Life Upgrades 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pictory.ai to make amazing videos for your YouTube channel. Pictory.ai is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to create videos from your blog posts, webinars, podcasts and more. Step 1. Go to Pictory.ai and sign up for a free account. You can also log in with your Google or Facebook account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard where you can create new projects or edit existing ones. To create a new project, click on the New Project button on the top right corner. Step 3. Choose a template for your video. Pictory.ai has many templates for different types of videos, such as explainer videos, video sales letters, social media videos and more. You can preview each template by clicking on it. Step 4. Enter the title of your video and paste the URL of your blog post or any other content that you want to turn into a video. Pictory.ai will automatically analyze your content and generate a script for your video. Step 5. Review and edit the script as you like. You can change the text, add or remove slides, adjust the timing and more. You can also add voiceovers, music and stock footage from Pictory.ai's library. Step 6. When you're happy with your script, click on the Generate Video button on the top right corner. Pictory.ai will start rendering your video and notify you when it's done. Step 7. Download or share your video with one click. And that's how you use Pictory.ai to make awesome videos for any social platform. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.